Let's explore the remarkable properties of 4140 steel and discover its wide range of applications in the manufacturing industry. The 4140 bar is a versatile and widely used alloy steel known for its excellent strength and toughness. It contains chromium, molybdenum, and manganese, which contribute to its exceptional hardenability and durability. The unique microstructure of 4140 bar, consisting of fine-grained ferrite and tempered martensite, provides it with remarkable strength and resistance to wear and fatigue. The versatility of 4140 bar makes it a preferred choice across various industries. It is commonly used in the production of critical components such as shafts, gears, couplings, and tooling applications. Its high strength and toughness make it ideal for applications that require exceptional performance under demanding conditions. Engineers and designers appreciate the superior machinability of 4140 bars, allowing for easy fabrication and precision machining to meet specific project requirements. From automotive and aerospace to oil and gas industries, 4140 bar stock plays a vital role in creating robust and reliable solutions that power our modern world. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we take pride in being a leading supplier of high-quality 4140 bar stock. Our commitment to precision and customer satisfaction has earned us the trust of numerous industries. We offer a wide range of sizes and specifications to meet your project needs, and our team of experts are ready to assist you with personalized solutions and exceptional customer service. So when it comes to 4140 bar stock, trust the expertise of O'Hare Precision Metals. Contact us today to learn more about our superior products and how we can support your manufacturing needs.